Friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to do another brand review, and today I am going through doTERRA's website. This is the type of video where I act as if I am a new essential oil customer looking into a brand to see if it has I'm looking for as far as quality, sourcing, standards, testing, all of the things. So this is what I personally look for. And a disclaimer, I have not used doTERRA ever, and I have not been on their website. I don't know really anything about them except from what I hear on social media. I know that they're an MLM. So it was just one of the higher requested videos for me to do this type of review on. So this is what we do. So we're going to share their website. So this is just doterra.com. It takes you to their US page. So they have a shop, our story, and discover tab, and then a new way to enjoy frankincense capsules. That's interesting. I know they are really big into internal or ingesting essential oils, which is controversial. And the fact that they're an MLM also is too. New products, September deals, convention, new products, a little bit about their sourcing. So it looks like they're transparent in that way. Let's just explore sourcing. So let me share this tab. So when you click on sourcing or explore sourcing, it takes you to a whole new web page. And there is a lot of information here about where they get their oils and how they're obtained and about the plants. So when you just click on one, for example, Blue Lotus, it'll tell you this was from 2023, September last year. So a year ago, about Blue Lotus, which that's above and beyond what I've seen in information about a plant and where it comes from and the growing period. Here, 30% of the flowers are now used for doTERRA, while 70% go to the flower market. The income farmers receive can vary. And then some pictures. I love that too. So as far as sourcing goes, they're checking the box and going above and beyond actually. So that's great. So let's share our original page again. So back to their main page, let's just go shop, United States, shop doTERRA. Okay, so to essential oils and essential oils. Let's just go first to bergamot. We like to go to bergamot just to do the comparison of like, is right safety information on the website or not. Bergamot essential oil, purifying and cleansing. Again, they're dropping it in like, it looks like a glass of water. They're very pro internal use of essential oils. Bergamot is unique among citrus, uplifting and calming, healthy nervous system, calm the digestive system, and promote healthy metabolism when taking internally thanks to limonene. Okay. So the benefits, healthy nervous system, it has a little asterisk here. So I'm hoping they do have their sources of where they're getting that information. That would be really helpful. Sourcing. So this is great. A video of travel to Italy and stroll through the bergamot and lemon groves. Oh, what a dream really to go and like in those fields. That would be amazing. Cook at home, apply to the skin while showering and inhale deeply. Apply bergamot essential oil to the skin while showering and inhale deeply. So first of all, you need to dilute it before applying it to the skin. Even if you're in the shower, it's just water. So that's not doing anything beneficial, doing it while you're in the shower. So just make sure it's diluted first. And that's misleading, I guess, just because you shouldn't just put it directly on your skin. Bergamot oil to regular tea to transform it into Earl Grey. Place a few drops of bergamot oil in warm water for a relaxing foot soak. Again, there's no dilution, and so that's not cool. Use 3 to 4 drops in a diffuser. Internally use dilute 1 drop. Okay, so they're saying to dilute while you use internally. They have that going for them, but it's really like internal use should be done for a very specific issue under the care of an aromatherapist with like a dosage guideline and for a short period of time. This just shouldn't be done randomly, and it needs to have intention. So kind of vague as well. Topical use, apply 1 to 2 drops to desired area. Dilute with carrier oil to minimize any skin sensitivity. Okay, and possible skin sensitivity. Keep out of reach of children. That's kind of just general. And then avoid contact with eyes, inner ears, and sensitive areas. So mucous membranes, and then avoid sunlight and UV rays for at least 12 hours. That's what we're looking for. Like in general, like a pregnant nursing or under doctor's care. But when they have specific information, that's what we're looking for under safety. It is an essential oil company's responsibility to teach you how to use your essential oils properly and safely so that they're being everything, so they're being used most effectively without adverse reactions. So this is like not 100% up to my standards, but it's okay. This is the internal use. I'm all for that. So I have this doTERRA blog. So they have a blog with more information if you want. That's cool. Useful resources, product information page. Okay, so this is cool too. Diffuse. It's kind of what we already. It's just what we read. Same exact thing. I want to see, I guess, more dilution information, and then obviously we know how I feel about the internal. Let's go to a different essential oil. So we'll go to Blue Tansy because we love Blue Tansy. Oh, I also was going to do, so we check price too. So first thing we check is that they're not all the same exact price. Like essential oil is $9 or maybe they are sourced and attained differently in the value. The price of oils are different. They're not all the same. So that shouldn't be the same, which it's not. And then also I check to see if they're in the ballpark of the essential oils that I know already and use and love, and these are way higher, obviously. But we know that Young Living and doTERRA are very expensive because they pay so many people. I don't care if they say it's because their essential oils are the best quality and of sourcing, like very top tier. Like there are top tier essential oils for half the price. That's kind of a bogus statement. In my opinion, I don't believe that. I think you can get the highest quality for half the price of these two specific companies. Okay, so let's go to Blue Tansy. Same. I like these pages. Their website's nice. I like it. Blue Tansy, blue component. Like the info that they're giving. Massage into the skin with fractionated coconut oil or a lotion. Blue Tansy is my favorite, like all time essential oil. It smells the best to me. It makes me instantly happy and grounded. May help reduce appearance of blemishes. I didn't see, so it had asterisks on the information on the other one, but where does the asterisk go to? Like where the additional information part? Maybe it was in the blog. So let's go to their blog post on Blue Tansy, and maybe they source where it can help with doTERRA Deep Blue Study, learn about copaiba. Okay, here again, two here. Am I missing it, or where is there more bibliography? What's number 2? Is it this one? So share this tab. Okay, Tara, thanks for trying to access this page. An unexpected error has occurred. Let's try to refresh. Okay, click me anywhere. Look back. Whoops. That could just be like a glitch in their website, but I think this is where that source would be. I'm that wants to see sources for claims being made, and I think everyone should be. So let's go back to bergamot. Are we sharing? Okay. Here it says, and support a healthy nervous system when taking internally because of the chemical constituent. Okay, so asterisk. Where do we go for the asterisks? Maybe here? Oh, I think the asterisk there was these statements have not been evaluated by the FDA. Okay, but they have it in their blog post. So here's bergamot. Like other citrus oils, bergamot oil makes the perfect addition to any glass of water. This is not good. Just free advice. That's not good. Okay, so I do want to see the source of where they're getting that statement. Helps, what did it say with the nervous system? When taken, healthy nervous system when taken internally because of limonene. So that is what it is. I feel like there's claims that need to be backed up. That's just my opinion on that. Okay, just look at my list. So are they transparent? I feel like they are transparent in their sourcing so far. Do they seek to educate? I think so, but they're not backing up claims. And then do they third-party test? Is third. So I don't see any tests, but I wasn't really looking. So let's see. Can be used. So they have different, like, know that they test, and I think they share their test results, but it's not just right on their bergamot page, which I like here to see the GCMS report, like that I prefer, but that's okay. It's if it's in a different area. Our story discover. Okay, I thought I saw GCMS. So let's just look here. Not super handy, just fine. Okay, article part 4, quality testing, took me to an article. Sure, we're sharing. Okay. How carefully distillation be tested. So there are two main goals: verify potency and ensure purity. Unfortunately, there is no regulatory body that oversees the quality. Therefore, it's up to us to ensure. Cool. Yes, that's great. Where are your tests? All products. Abode line, personal care, sun, supplements, kits, literature, special diffuser. So it shouldn't be this hard to find. Safety. Let's see. Are essential oils safe? Strong oils. Cool. Let's go to help. That's really not helpful. Just scroll to the bottom again and see. So corporate, careers, news, awards, merch, blog, product, courses, literature, forums. I've checked multiple places and I really just don't even for this video want to dig any further, in which you shouldn't have to for GCMS reports. So the fact that it's not just simply listed there on like Bergamot, the page listing would be, and I can click and see, is a red flag for me, and therefore I wouldn't use doTERRA unless I'm missing it or unless it's somewhere hidden, which that's more of like an orange flag, I guess, not like a red flag. It's still there, but it's hard to find. Don't make it hard for me to find. It's a non-negotiable for me in using essential oils, and so it just needs to be there, and that's just my personal opinion, obviously. Safety information specific to each essential oil, from what I can see, yes. Do I agree with 100% of it? No, but it is there and it's specific to each oil. It's not just a generic paragraph pasted on each page. And then do the tests have up to or have current dates? So I don't know because I haven't seen any tests. So that is my opinion. Then my first little skim through doTERRA's website. I feel like I saw a GCMS report somewhere and it's just not here. Just not easy enough for me to find. Source to you. Was it on this one? So we were on here. Oh, okay. It is ink. So enter your quality ID. This maybe. Of course, I don't have a quality ID. So cool that they have it, but I want to see the report before I purchase the essential oil. So still, my opinion stands, even though they do have it. You can, looks like you can go on and search your quality. And unfortunately, I don't have any doTERRA essential oils to look at because I want to see the test first. I don't want to buy the product and then have to go on and look at it that way. But it does say they go through a battery of rigorous tests to ensure your family receives only the best, which is great. And yeah, I believe that, but it's just my preference. And also, just go out of this. Okay. Their prices are way too high. I don't like MLMs. I just want to go through and check out their website though. Not that I'm going to become a customer, but just to show you what I look for. This is how I look at every single essential oil company. Things that I look for everyone. Things that I knew going into it, like that doesn't change though. Prices are just too high. Their test results just needs to be a click away from their product page. And the third thing, I don't even remember. Jumping through hoops. I don't know if you can just go on and purchase something. Actually, let's just see if you can. So add to bag. Let me stop sharing. There we go. Share it and share this page. Because I feel like Young Living, I think it's changed a lot too, but you can't just go on and buy an oil. So let's just see. I want to buy basil essential oil for $44. That's so crazy. Just let me, okay, create a doTERRA account and save $25 or check out as a guest. So to get their price, just like Young Living, you get the whatever percent off, 25% discount, you have to become a member. So if you check out as a guest, you're paying an astronomically high, insane $50 for a bottle of basil essential oil. And to compare quickly to the brands that I do use, let's just compare. What size was that? So a 15 milliliter bottle of basil essential oil from doTERRA, $50.99 because I don't want to become a member. And Vive has basil. It is, it's a 10 milliliter bottle. So it's a little bit smaller. It is $10. They have free shipping. You can subscribe and save 3% if you want to do that, but you don't have to do any of that. And then basil essential oil from Simply Earth, same size, 15 milliliter bottle is $14.99. So that's so crazy. And Simply Earth, Revive, they share where their sourcing is too. They distill their essential oils properly. They share their GCMS reports one click away so that you can check it, buy it whenever you want to, and they're up to date. So that's what's important to me, and I hope this was helpful. Let me know what you guys think, and let me know what brand you want me to do this video on next. I hope you have a great day. Bye.